Right guys, we're back at Aldi for another £5 savvy meal. Lucy, what are you cooking tonight?
A nice mild curry.
Oh, not curry. I've got the little man. Here we go. Right, where are we off to first then, Lou?
Chicken.
Let's go.
Right, I'm going to get chicken legs, £1.99.
All right, okay.
Oh, they're heavy. I'm going to get some rice. I'm going to try and cook this.
So what's your total then?
£2.44.
£2.44.
Coconut milk, 69p. £3.13 up to now. Right, we need some chilli powder. Which one do you want, Mark?
Oh no.
Fried chilli, Scotch bonnet or ghost
Yeah,
chilli?
too spicy for me that, love.
So
No
just,
chance.
So just a chilli jar?
Just get a normal chilli jar, yeah.
59p. And we're up to onions that it's 50p, down from 55.
You saved another 5p then. Right, what's your total now, Lou?
£4.22.
Go on then. You've got 78 pence left. Where are we going next?
Do you want dessert or do you want a naan bread?
Oh, I think I'll just have a naan bread.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so we've got garlic and coriander or plain. Which one?
Garlic.
Good choice.
Right, what's the total then, Lou?
£4.81.
£4.81. Can we not get a dessert? 19 pence. Come on, let's have a look.
Well, we haven't got enough for dessert, so it looks like we're healthy eating today. Not even enough for rice pudding.
23p. Oh no. Healthy eating then. Let's go. Oh, hang on. What's you got? What's that? What are you going to do? Oh, making chips as well.
And I've got slap bang on £5.
£5 on the dot.
On the dot.
Perfect. £5 dead on. And there you go, guys. You've done it again. Let's get it home and cook it up. What's first on the agenda?
We are going to marinate the chicken.
Oh, that's a big word. Go on then.
These are the staples that I'm going to be using today, but you don't have to use these two. You could just use the chilli powder. Chilli powder in, masala, and paprika. Salt and pepper, and spoon in all your coconut milk. And give that a good stir. Once you've finished stirring it in, add your chicken to marinade. And get all your chicken in, both sides, fully covered.
That looks absolutely beautiful, Lou.
I'm going to leave this to marinade now. So 1 cupful of rice does 2 people, and then enough left over for any other days. Right, let's chop the onions. And the last one, done. Do your garlic as well. Add the oil. Onions in your garlic in the pan too. Add all the chicken to the pan. Make sure you get all the sauce out too. Add your chicken stock to make sure you get all the marinade out. Tip this into your pan as well. I'm just going to leave this on simmer for about an hour.
Whoa, Lucy, what are you adding to the chips?
Just going to put a bit of chilli on.
Oh, come on, Lucy, love. You know I'm not good with spices.
Right, the chips are ready to get out. Oh, oh, curry's looking amazing.
Oh, Lucy, that looks really good. Well, Lucy Lou, I think it's time to serve up.
Thank you.
I'll have a man's portion, please, love.
What do you think about that?
That looks amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Do you want chips or rice?
How's about I'll have chips and rice?
Okay.
Thank you very much. And some rice. Very nice. Thank you very much, Lucy. Another £5.
Some sauce?
Oh, go on then. Yeah, I'll have a bit more extra sauce. Thank you very much. Oh, and what about the naan bread?
Yeah.
Yes. Right, it's time to give it a try. Oh, look at that chicken. Oh, thank you very much. Here goes.
Is it hot? Nothing can be as hot as that chip.
That's beautiful. That's so creamy.
Try the chips.
That is so creamy. Oh my word, that is beautiful.
I didn't even try it. Look.
How nice is that? That is beautiful. Guys, give that a try. If you do want to copy it, this is the receipt. £5 from Aldi. Please drop us a share and a follow if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more savvy meals.